Hey everyone, want to convert text into videos with Pika AI? In this video, I'll show you how to create AI videos from text prompts step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the Pika AI website. Sign in to your account or create one if you haven't already. Next, click Create and choose the text to video option if it's available. This lets you generate a video using only a written prompt. Now type a clear and detailed prompt describing the video you want. I mean including details like the subject, background, camera angles, lighting, art style, and motion usually produces better results. Next, adjust the available settings, such as video length, aspect ratio, quality, and visual style to match your project. Click Generate and wait while Pika AI creates your video. Processing time may vary depending on your prompt and server activity. Once the video is ready, preview the result. If needed, edit your prompt or settings and generate another version until you're happy with the output. Finally, download your completed video or share it directly from the platform if those options are available. And that's
Wait,
how you
hold on, this
convert
is my
text to
song.
video in Pika AI. With detailed prompts and a little creativity, you can generate high-quality AI videos in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.